So students, welcome to online classes. So today in our EVS class we are going to discuss about our national something. And what is national? Which is about our country, okay, which talk about country spirit. That is national, okay. So you can open your worksheet 4, which is about national days, okay. This one is, you can open, you can see that is national, okay. This one is a national day and the worksheet 4. You can take your date over there. And yes students, now we are going to learn something. Our country is a democratic republic, as we can choose the people who can run it for us, which means where we have a head, but that head is elected by us, which means we are the real source of our country, okay. Hope you got this my word, because you are very small to learn this kind of topics, but we have to learn it. Why we call democratic? A democratic country where the people select their own representatives, which means, as if you don't want that, like if one person is your leader, okay, take a suppose, now I'm going to take an example for you. In your class there is a one monitor, okay, that monitor is very good in academics, but the behavior of that monitor is not good. He is not good with you, okay. You can say he or she misbehaves with you. So this one, what you can do, you can appeal to your authority. Who is your authority? Is your teacher to your principal ma'am, which is the head of your school, okay. So this is your right. As is same in our country, we all people are living, okay. Now when the elections were held, we choose a people which is very good for our country authority, who can rule for us, okay. For the today example, we can take in a present time, the PM Narendra Modi is a favorable, we can say, a president for us. Why? Because we have elected them, okay, we choose them. So that's why we are living in a democratic, where the people having power to elect their representatives. We all are powerful, okay. That's why it's called democratic. Hope you have got it. And yes, now we will start. It's about the Independence Day and yes, Republic Day. India won freedom on 15 August 1947. Is that true or not? Where the sentence is right, then you have to take a tick, and where the sentence is wrong, you have to take a sign of cross. India won freedom on 15 August 1947. That one is right. The next one is Republic Day is celebrated on 15 August every day. Republic Day. You can see India won freedom on 15 August, and the meaning of republic and independence, the difference between, you can see the republic, okay, wait, I show you in a board manner. See, this one is republic, okay, this one is republic, and the second word is independence, right? So student, this one is republic and this one is independence. Independence, which means freedom, okay. This one is for freedom. Got my words? That means we got freedom on that day. And on the republic, we got the special powers to locate that freedom of authority, which means the Constitution Day, okay. So Constitution is given on Which day? 26 January 1950. And when we got our freedom? We got our freedom on 15 August 1947. So students, you can see at this time we free Indians from a Britishers, okay, from the rules of Britisher. And on 1950 we got our constitution, we got our laws which fix our freedom in many ways, okay, that ensure our freedom. That day we are not insured, but when our constitution made for us on 26 January 1950, that time we ensured that we have that freedom, okay, according to our law. So students, hope you got the difference between that republic and the independence, okay. And the date you have to remember that republic is here when we celebrate our Republic Day and when we have celebrate that Independence Day, okay, got it? Now you can give your answer. That Republic Day celebrated on 15 August every day. Is it true? You can see Republic Day celebrated on 15 August. No. So this one is your cross, okay, which means that one is wrong for you. Now come to on third, that the Prime Minister gives a speech on Independence Day. That is right. Yes, this one is right. On this day, Prime Minister hoisted the flag on Red Fort of Delhi. Okay, at the Red Fort of Delhi. So this one is right answer, that the Prime Minister gives a speech on Independence Day. So you can take a tick on it. Now come to fourth one. Independence Day is held at Sikandra Fort in Agra. No. Where we celebrate, where the Prime Minister hosted the flag? At Red Fort, Delhi. So this one is cross. The fourth one is wrong. Now come to fifth one. The bravery awards are given to the people by the President on Republic Day. Is that correct? Yes. On the 26th January, the President of India gave bravery award to those people who show the bravery performance in their real lives. Okay. If you want to know more about this, you can Google. Okay. You all having your mobile phone, smartphone, so you can search for it. Search for it. What is the bravery award and when and where it is given by whom? You have to find out. Hope so you will do it this. Okay. Now, so this one is right. Now the next one is India was not free country. We are free now, but was, which means it's talking about the past, for our past one. That India was a not free country. It was ruled by the Britishers for many years, not many years, beta. It's about 100th century. They ruled over us. Okay, the 100th century. You can see the 100 years of 1 century. You can see 100 years, 1 century. Okay, they ruled over us. Okay, we are the slaves of that Britishers. But on the day of 15 August 1947, we got our independence. That is the unique thing in our that day. We got our freedom. Okay, so yes, this one is right, that we are not. Firstly, we are not that free country that is ruled by another people, that is Britishers. Now the last one, a special parade of school children, folk dancers, armed forces, NCC cadets and colorful Tiblaks is held on Republic Day. Yes, the big parade is held on 26th January. On this day, all the things which we have in our country, every power of every state, they show that what kind of the values, beliefs of every state which we can see on that parade. The NCC cadets, the army wing, the students from schools, right? They all are there and doing their parade. So we can see on 26 January's parade, 26 January parade. Now we have done, the first one is right, the second one is wrong, the third one is right, the fourth one is wrong, fifth one is also right, seventh one is also right, and yes, the eighth one is also right. And here is something for you that you have to do yourself. There is two blanks where you have to fulfill the one president picture and the second the prime minister's picture. So here you can the current president and prime minister and give their names here. Okay, here is a blank, we have to give the name, and the blank box where we have to paste the picture of our president, current, okay, president and prime minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji and the president Kovind Nath. Okay. So we have done our national. So you know about the national days. Okay, the other one we will do on the next day. That's all for today. Hope students you learn about our special days. These are national days. These are more important. Why? Because these days are important for us. Because our ancestors are fought for our independence, and then they make rules and laws for us that we can live a good life, a better life, in this free country, India. So love your country and make proud everyone. Firstly, make proud your country. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, students.